Hello everyone! Welcome to Trimlink landing pages. In this video, you'll learn how to turn your templates into live landing pages, create branded URLs, generate dynamic QR codes, enable advanced security options, and publish pages in just a few minutes. First, sign into your Trimlink account and select your workspace. From the dashboard, open Landing Pages from the left sidebar and click Landing Page. Unlike a traditional short link that redirects visitors to another website, a landing page displays one of your Trimlink templates directly as the destination. Start by entering a title for your landing page. This is optional. You can leave empty. This title helps organize your pages inside the dashboard and is not visible to visitors. Next, choose your domain and create a custom URL slug to build a clean, branded link. You can also enable a custom header, making your URLs even more recognizable to your audience. To keep your workspace organized, add tags and assign the page to an existing collection, or create a new collection instantly. To connect offline and online campaigns, enable dynamic QR codes. Trimlink automatically generates a QR code linked to your landing page. You can customize colors, styles, borders, and even place your logo in the center to match your brand identity. As you make changes, the QR code preview updates in real time. For private campaigns or restricted content, you can enable password protection. Visitors will be required to enter the correct password before viewing your landing page. You can also set an expiration date and time to automatically disable access when a campaign ends. For location-based insights, enable GPS tracking. When visitors grant permission through their browser, Trimlink can collect accurate location data for advanced analytics and reporting. Instead of entering a destination URL, landing pages use your Trimlink templates as the final destination. Browse your template library and select the template you want visitors to see. Your newest templates appear first, and you can load additional templates if needed. If you haven't created a template yet, simply click Design from Scratch to open the template builder and create one instantly. Once everything looks good, review your settings and click Create Page. Trimlink instantly generates your branded landing page URL and dynamic QR code. Your page is now live and ready to share across social media, email campaigns, advertisements, printed materials, and marketing channels. With Trimlink landing pages, you can create branded experiences, improve campaign tracking, and manage everything from a single platform. Thanks for watching. Visit trimlink.ai to learn more and start building today.